Schluter Primer U is a ready-to-use universal primer used to enhance adhesion of mortars for hard-to-bond substrates. Primer U features a one-component, solvent-free, water-based acrylic formulation that is low odor and zero VOC. It is also freeze-thaw stable. It's available in 1 quart and 1 gallon jugs and 5-gallon buckets. Make sure to read all of the application instructions, which are found by lifting the label on the Primer U packaging. When it comes to tile installation, proper surface preparation is an essential step in ensuring a long-lasting installation. Let's face it, many substrate surfaces can be challenging to work with. Now you can bond with confidence with Schluter Primer U. Primer U is ideal over various porous and non-porous substrates, such as gypsum underlayment, raised access panels and metal, plywood or OSB, existing tile, and many more. Regardless of what substrate you are installing over, the application process is the same. The surface where the Primer U is to be applied must be structurally sound, clean, smooth, and free of moisture. Primer U is ready to use, but does need to be shaken or stirred before application. In a single coat, the Primer U is easily applied to a clean substrate with a 3/8" nap roller, a wide nylon bristle brush, or even using a garden sprayer. Since Primer U is a water-based solution, simply clean any tools or spills with water while the primer is still wet. Primer U is a translucent orange liquid that dries to a slightly glossy film. The primer coat should dry completely before installing thin-set mortar. Dry time is approximately 15 to 60 minutes, depending on the porosity of the substrate and job site conditions. Primer U is ideal for use with any of our Schluter thin-set mortars in interior applications where increased bond strength is required. Primer U provides a suitable substrate for the installation of all of our Schluter membranes, such as Ditra, Ditra XL, and Ditra Heat. The primer helps ensure successful tile installations in a wide range of applications. With the use of Schluter Primer U, you can bond with confidence over difficult-to-bond surfaces. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check out our YouTube channel to view our videos.